Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan, your English teacher. This time I have taken the chapter The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse from the book Snapshots written by William Saroyan. So this story is about two poor Armenian boys who belong to a tribe whose hallmarks are true and honesty. Means their tribe was famous or it was known for its honesty and truthfulness. One day what happened when Aram was in his room, means author was in his room, then his cousin brother who woke him up in the early morning, and Aram was surprised why he was there. Then firstly he was thinking कि he was dreaming, because he couldn't believe that his cousin brother Murad was sitting on a white horse. So he couldn't believe that, on a beautiful white horse. But at the sudden moment he came to know that yes, he was not dreaming, it was reality. So at that time Aram, author, was about 9 years old and Murad was his cousin brother. So my cousin brother Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse. I stuck my head out of the window and rubbed my eyes because he couldn't believe that he was there sitting on a white beautiful horse. Then yes, he said in Armenian, it's a horse, you are not dreaming, and he made sure that he was not dreaming. Then Murad told Aram to come out hurriedly if he wanted to enjoy a horse ride. Aram was both delighted and frightened. He was frightened because he could not imagine that they could have ride a horse, because they were not rich enough to purchase a white horse, and his cousin brother was sitting on a white horse. So he was frightened whether he had stolen or from where he had managed. He asked his cousin where he had stolen the horse. Then Murad had stolen the horse. Aram was tempted to go for a ride because the author, Aram and Murad, both had dreamed to have a ride of a horse on a horse. So they wanted to have a ride, horse riding. For that reason he couldn't believe. Aram put on his clothes and sat on the horseback behind his cousin. Aram has put on means kapde pehne, and he sat behind his cousin Murad. Behind their house was the countryside, fruit gardens, irrigation pits and grapevines. The horse began to trot, means the horse began to walk, and Murad began to sing aloud. Murad was very happy, so he was there to be very happy, and he was very happy at that time. So here trot means walking in a steady manner. Then their uncle Khosrow was also very crazy, and he was furious in nature, irritable and impatient. Means वो बहुत जल्दी नाराज हो जाते थे. He didn't allow anybody to speak. His pet words were, "It is no harm. Pay no attention to it." So he always spoke like this. So once his own house was on fire, and he was at the barber's shop, and his son Arak ran to the shop and told him that their house was in fire. But he as usual roared, वो जोर से चिल्लाए, and he said that it was no harm. Murad's own father Zorab was a very practical man, but Murad was the natural descendant of his uncle. So anyway, the two cousins let the horse run as long as it felt like running. At last Murad asked Aram to get down. Then Murad ने कहा कि get down means तुम नीचे उतरो. And then Aram too wanted to ride alone. Aram भी अकेले ही riding करना चाहता था. Then he said proudly that he had way with the horse. He named this white horse Vajire. तो उसने वाइट हॉर्स का क्या नाम रखा? वजीरे. He had named the horse Vajire. Then he started riding, and he was told to wait till he was 13. So he was given a chance, and he had a bad experience. The horse ran off at breakneck speed, Aram fell down. When Aram took this, जब अरम ने भी यही सोचा कि मैं भी इसकी एक वो करूं, एक इसकी राइडिंग करूं, then he fell down from the horse and he had harm in his leg. So it was morning, the whole world was awake. Their problem was to hide the horse. Means they were very, very happy that they had took a ride on the horse, and then every family has a crazy, it is about their family, and my cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant of crazy streak, as I told you, and that was all, no matter what anybody happened to be talking about. Once it was his own son Arak running, means it was his uncle. He was always very angry and he would say no harm and don't pay attention. So once his house was in fire and his uncle's house was in fire, and when his son told him, when he was sitting in the barber shop, तो जब उनके बेटे ने आकर बताया कि घर में आग लग गई है, he said no problem and don't pay attention. So some of our neighbors we belong to, we let the horse ran as long as, so they started horse riding. At last my cousin Murad said, get down, I want to ride alone. Here अरम को उसने कहा नीचे उतर जाओ, और मुराद जो उसका कजिन ब्रदर था ऑथर का, he said that I will take horse riding all alone. So Aram also agreed, yes, then I will take this horse riding, we shall see. And then okay, he said कि हाँ हाँ देखेंगे, don't forget that I have a way with a horse. तो मुराद ने कहा I have a way to handle a horse. Well, I said, then Aram said, yes, anyway you have with a horse, I have also. उसने कहा मेरे पास भी, मतलब I can also handle a horse. Then well, and then for the sake of your safety, he said, let us hope so, get down, all right. And he got down, वो नीचे उतर गया Aram, and I got down. My cousin Murad kicked the heels into the horse and shouted, वजीरे. तो उसने उसका नाम क्या रखा था? वजीरे. So he had named the horse वजीरे. Then it's page number 5. Thing had ever seen my cousin Murad raised the horse, मतलब मुराद was sitting on the horse and he was riding on the horse, and horse was running in speed. The sun was coming up. Now it's my turn. अरम ने कहा अब ये मेरा टर्न है. Then Murad said yes, okay. I leaped to the back, means Aram leaped to the back of the horse, and a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. So the horse did not move. Kick into his muscles. When the horse did not move, then Murad said to make a kick. तो उसने क्या कहा, उसकी मसल में एक किक करो, then it will run. Then he did that. But what happened? The horse was not riding in the normal way, and he was running very fast. बहुत तेज़ दौड़ रहा था. My cousin Murad came running down the road. I am worried about you, he shouted. And मुराद को डर था कि whether the horse could make the author to fall down, कि वो उसको गिरा सकता था. All right, he said jump on. उसने इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया, मुराद ने अरम को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया jump on, and then he said yes. Well, he said, well, either take him back on ride until tomorrow morning. He didn't sound worried, and I knew he would hide him and not take. So Aram fell down from the horse because horse was running in speed, and he could not balance. And then it was evening time, and they had to hide the horse because it was a stolen horse, क्योंकि ये horse जो था छुराया हुआ था. So फिर अरम ने पूछा कि from where will we hide him? कहाँ से इसको छुपाएंगे? I know a place. अरम ने कहा मैं एक जगह जानता हूँ. And it suddenly dawned on me that he had been taking these early morning riding. अब वो समझ में आया कि why did he take a ride these mornings? Not until this morning, he said. And he said, yes, तुमको यही बताना है कि we didn't have this horse until this morning. मतलब आज सुबह ही हमने सवारी की, मतलब हमने बहुत पहले से इसको नहीं लिया था। देन ऑल राइट आई सेड ही वॉक द हॉर्स क्विकली टू द बार्न ऑफ अ डिजर्टेड वाइनयार्ड, और तब वो उसको लेकर के वाइनयार्ड में गए। एंड देन दे वांट, बार्न मीन्स होता है प्लेस फॉर स्टोरिंग ग्रेन, कुछ वहाँ खाने पीने का मटेरियल था दैट हॉर्सेस कुड ईट। सो हाउ डू यू डू इट? आई सेड आई हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग विद द हॉर्स। तब उसने वही बताया, आई हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग विद द हॉर्स, सो आई कैन राइड, आई कैन कीप अ हॉर्स, a simple and honest one. He said, well, I said, I wish I knew how to reach an understanding like that with a horse. You are still a small boy, he said. उसने अरम को कहा, तुम अभी भी छोटे बच्चे हो। I went home and ate a hearty breakfast. Author went home and he took his breakfast. The afternoon my uncle खुसरो केम टू आर हाउस, खुसरो अंकल जो थे उसके घर आए थे। एंड देन जॉन बैरो, जिनका कि वो हॉर्स था, वो भी आए थे। माई मदर ब्रॉड द लोनली विजिटर्स कॉफ़ी एंड टोबैको एंड ही रोल्ड अ सिगरेट एज शी हैड ऑफर्ड दीज थिंग्स। देन आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड, अब उसने बताया, जॉन बैरो ने बताया कि आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड कि वेयर माई स्टोलन हॉर्स इज़, मेरा चुराया हुआ घोड़ा कहाँ है। माई अंकल खुसरो, as always he was in habit, became very irritated and shouted, "It is no harm." As usual he would say, कोई मुश्किल नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। What is the loss of a horse? Have not we all lost the homeland? And what is this crying over a horse? क्यों तुम एक हॉर्स के लिए चिल्ला रहे हो? That may be all right for you, a city dweller. Then John Barrow, जिनका कि वो हॉर्स था, and John Barrow का ही वाइट हॉर्स मुराद ने चुराया था। सो जॉन बैरो वॉज सर्चिंग हिज हॉर्स एंड ही वॉज मैंशनिंग हिज स्टोलन हॉर्स हेयर। सो उसने कहा, यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज यू आर अ सिटी ड्वेलर। ड्वेलर मीन्स रहने वाले लोग। पे नो टेंशन। अगेन खुसरो अंकल रोड एज यूजली ही वुड डू, डोंट पे अटेंशन एंड नो हार्म विल बी देयर। देन यू हैव लेग्स, तो तुम्हारे पास तो पैर है। माई अंकल खुसरो शाउटेड, यू मे गो टू योर होम। माई लेफ्ट लेग पेन्स, फार्मर सेड, बिकॉज जॉन बैरो वॉज अ फार्मर। उसने कहा कि मेरे पैरों में दर्द है। पे नो अटेंशन टू इट, माई अंकल सेड। एंड देन द हॉर्स कॉस्ट में $60। फार्मर ने फिर से ऐड किया, वो मेरा जो हॉर्स था वो $60 का था। ठीक है। देन he was sitting under a peach tree trying to repair the hurt wing of a young robin। तो अरम क्या कर रहा था? अरम एक रॉबिन बर्ड होती है, उसके लेग को ठीक कर रहा था, रिपेयर कर रहा था। दैट मीन्स उसके विंग्स पे, मीन्स शी वॉज wounded, it was wounded and he was making its wound to be, he was trying to apply something there and bandage like. So the farmer John Barrow, I said, he visited our home, he wants his horse। तो उसने अरम से पूछा, अरम ने पूछा मुराद से कि वो जो जॉन बैरो आया था फार्मर, वो तो अपना घोड़ा चाहता है ना, तो इट विल टेक यू अ ईयर टू लर्न टू राइड। माई कजिन मुराद सेड, माई कजिन मुराद लिव टू हिज फीट, वट आर यू इन्वाइटिंग अ मेम्बर ऑफ द गैरोग्लियन फैमिली टू स्टील? अब तुम यहाँ पे अपनी फैमिली जो हमारी है गैलेनियन फैमिली, तो उसको चोरी का ब्लेम लगाओगे? व्हेन? आई सेड, कब? इन 6 months एट लेटेस्ट, ही सेड। ही थ्रू द बर्ड इनटू द एयर एंड द बर्ड ट्राइड हार्ड, एंड जिस बर्ड को ठीक कर रहा था, ही मेड इट टू फ्लाई अवे इन द स्काई। फर्स्टली इट हैड प्रॉब्लम, देन finally it flew away. Early morning, for 2 weeks, my cousin Murad and I took the horse out of the barn of the deserted vineyard where we were hiding. So they had kept the horse at the place where grains were there, and also vineyard. It was a vineyard and it was an empty place. So they had kept that horse there. One morning on the way to Fettugian's deserted vineyard, we ran into the farmer John Barrow, who was on his way to town. Let me do the talking, my cousin Murad said. I have a way with farmers. Again he said, I can talk to a farmer nicely. So good morning John Byro, my cousin. He wished, मतलब Murad has wished John Byro good morning, and the farmer also studied the horse eagerly. तो क्योंकि हॉर्स वहीं था तो जॉन बायरो ने बहुत ध्यान से देखा. एंड he said, my heart, my cousin Murad said in Armenian style. A lovely name, John Byro said, for a lovely. What is the name of your horse? जॉन बायरो ने पूछा, तुम्हारे हॉर्स का क्या नाम है? I could swear it is the horse that was stolen from me many weeks ago. May I look into his mouth? तो जॉन बायरो ने कहा, I am sure that it is the horse that has been stolen many weeks ago. Of course, अब उसने कहा, मैं इसके मुंह में देख सकता हूँ. The farmer looked into the mouth of the horse, tooth for tooth. He said, I would swear it is my horse. Then John Byro said कि मैं कसम खाता हूँ ये मेरा horse है. If I didn't know your parents, the fame of your family for honesty is well known to me. Yet the horse is the twin of my horse. So a suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. Good day, my young friends. So John Byro was very happy that he got his white horse again, and he counted the teeth of the horse. उसने दांत भी गिने उसके और पूछा, और फिर मुराद ने has told that my horse name is my heart and this is mine. Byro believed that Murad's family was famous for its honesty. Then the following morning, and good day John Byro, my cousin Murad said, and then cousin Murad said good day. And early the morning we took the horse to John Byro's vineyard and put it there in the barn. The dogs followed us behind, making a sound. Dogs were barking, and the dogs, I whispered to my cousin Murad, I thought they would bark. They would at somebody else. He said, I have a way with dogs. Every time he was saying this. My cousin Murad put his arms around the horse, pressed his nose into the horse's nose, patted it, and then we went away. The afternoon, John Byro came to our house in his surrey and showed my mother the horse that he had stolen and returned. Then he came to his house and उन्होंने बताया कि जो हमारा हॉर्स गुम हो गया था, I have got back. And that afternoon John Byro came to our house, and I do not know what to think. He said the horse is stronger than ever, better tempered too. I thank God my uncle Khosrow was in the parlor, became irritated and shouted, quit man, quit, your horse has been returned, pay no attention to it. Again he shouted, and then finally John Byro had got his white horse again, and then he thanked God. He thanked God, oh God, thank that I have got my white horse again. And then uncle, Aram's uncle Khosrow, who was in the habit of shouting, and again he shouted and he said, quit man, quit, your horse has been returned, pay no attention to it. So here in this story we have come to know how two boys they got the horses and also they returned. So thank you and Jai Hind students. I hope you would have understood this story, how they have got their horses. They got the white horse of John Byro, and they returned with honesty. Thank you and Jai Hind.